Okay, here's what we're seeing across the Gulf Coast weather-wise as we're looking at a dry pattern. It is a very, very warm pattern each afternoon, but the humidity is still reasonable. Rain chances are hard to come by. Here's what's tracking around the area right now as we look at the southeast region. We do have some clouds swirling over Georgia, but not much in our local area. We're looking pretty quiet down in our part of the Gulf Coast. Here's what's happening in the tropics. Two areas we're watching, one off the Carolinas, another one approaching Trinidad and Tobago. That is moving to the west. Neither of these really showing any decent chance of forming. Both of them low probabilities at about 10% of tropical storm formation in the next 2 to 5 days. Looking over the Carolinas, this thing's actually having some impact on us. This is really more of an upper level feature. And so if we look at it on the water vapor loop, on the back side of it, if you can see those arrows there, that is a low that's actually spinning drier air into our area. So while the moisture is up into the Carolinas, for us, we're on the dry side on the back side of that low. So that's helping decrease rain probabilities here. And there's some dust coming off of Africa. That's the way we like to see it, out over the intertropical convergence zone, and that will continue moving towards the Caribbean and should limit tropical development in that area for the next week or two. And that's not uncommon in June and July to see things that are going to be fairly quiet. What's unusual is that we've had 3 named storms. This morning, 67 pleasant degrees at Mobile Regional, 64 in Crestview, 65 in Evergreen. Today getting up to 90 in Mobile. Not quite as hot as yesterday so far, but the sun is bearing down upon us. As far as rain chances tomorrow, looking isolated, mainly near the coast. So we do have a 20% chance of showers tomorrow. The futurecast actually a little more robust with isolated showers than it has been. So we'll stick with that 20% probability. It'll be hot, highs near 90 again tomorrow. Looking ahead over the next 7 days, Thursday looks mostly sunny. We might get an isolated shower again Friday. Summer officially begins on Saturday, and isolated showers for Father's Day on Sunday. Next week, things look more active. Deeper tropical moisture moves in place, and we do have the potential for some scattered showers on Monday and Tuesday, and rain chances do look more favorable across the region next week. Thanks for joining us here on Fox 10.
Stay tuned to Fox 10 News throughout the day for the latest updates. This has been your Fox 10 News Now update.